They say Paris belongs to love, just as Kyoto belongs to Zen. To understand Kyoto, one must first embrace its Zen traditions. Our journey begins at Kinkaku-ji, the Golden Pavilion. Its radiant reflection dances on the water, a mirror of harmony and centuries of untold stories. What secrets lie within its golden brilliance? Ryoan-ji, a sanctuary where silence becomes a language. Its mysterious rock garden defies explanation, inviting you to look deeper. Each visit reveals something new, yet something always remains concealed. Is it a riddle from the Heian period, or a Zen koan in stone and sand? At Tenryu-ji, Zen takes root in the earth and sky. Its gardens frame the Arashiyama mountains, blurring the boundary between nature and human design. Here, matcha tea ceremonies celebrate the ephemeral beauty of life. What can this timeless ritual reveal to those who seek the heart of Kyoto? Kyoto's Zen temples are more than places of beauty. They are guardians of ancient Japanese traditions. To walk their paths is to step into a world of quiet mysteries and enduring wisdom. Will you answer their call?